banana.
What? I want to make the banana. Okay. What about the shapes? What shapes you have here?
Circle.
Is that circle? Square.
Square.
Oh, where's the circle?
Circle.
Circle.
Triangle.
Show it to them. Triangle.
Triangle.
Okay. Then corn. Where's the corn? Here is corn. Make the corn now. Okay, we can start now. What you will do? No, you need to put more on it.
Look, my Play-Doh. Look, see?
See? Wow.
My Play-Doh.
Okay, what you will do is like this. Put more. Okay, give me the blue one. The blue. Yes, give me the blue. So we can put the corn here. Okay. Put it here. And then
And then
put this one here.
the blue one.
Yeah.
This one is you can wait.
And press the
And the press
this one, the corn shape.
here.
Yes. Press it down. Good boy.
I'm boy.
Yes. And then you remove it. Careful.
Woo!
Not like that. Press it more.
Yeah.
Press it more like this. Okay. And then
Then
remove. And you have the corn. Okay, you want me to help you?
I remove. I help mama.
Yes, nice. That is the
I
corn.
help mama.
You help mama?
I help mama. Now the strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay. Give
The
me
green-
the red one. The red color.
This
Yes. Give me the other one. The small one. The small clay. The red. Yes.
you get one the other one.
It's fine. This is enough.
This is enough.
Yes. And now
Now
put the
the
strawberry shape here.
put it from my baby here.
Yeah. Put now the strawberry shape on this red clay.
This one.
Yeah. Press it down. Yeah. Press it more. Okay. And then remove the one on the side. Careful. Press it down. And you will have your strawberry shape clay. It's like the funny food. Funny food?
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Strawberry, yay!
Yeah.
And those. Let me put from.
Put it here. Okay.
Yeah.
And now,
Let's put from my Adam.
from beside Adam. No, because we need to put the
The Mama,
clay here.
not
Just
like-
keep it here. Okay. Go get the
not
apple.
like that. This one.
Okay. Go get the apple. The apple shape.
What?
Apple, the red one.
Yeah.
And make the green apple here.
This I'll make the yellow from red.
No, later, put it there and make the green apple. Go make the green apple here.
Yeah.
Okay, press it here. Tell them, you need to press down. You need to press hard so the mold will go inside the shape. The molder
Look, see?
shape apple. Look, Now, I'll remove it for you. Wow, it's like an apple.
Let's
Green
make
apple.
the grapes. Let's make the grapes one.
Okay, let's make now the grapes.
The
I
blue
need the
one?
yellow. No, I need the yellow for the grapes.
The yellow. You want
Yes.
the yellow?
Yes.
This one.
More. Give me more. Yes, thank you.
You can put from blue one.
No, because this one, the blue one, will not be enough.
I
Okay.
I'll help Mama.
Yeah.
I squeeze it.
You squeeze it. Press it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it like this. Press it. Okay. And flatten it here. Okay. Flatten it here.
This is the yellow.
Yeah. Okay. Now
Now
I think I need more. Now put the.
I think I need more.
You need more also?
Yeah. I need more also. The red one.
Okay. Now put the apple here.
Wait, I'm making the
The
blue.
dough, you're making the dough, the blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Now put the red,
The
the apple here. Press it hard. More. Oh, careful. And then remove the one on the side. Press it more. Remove the one on the side.
or remove this.
Yes.
I remove.
Remove more.
I remove Adam.
Yeah.
Mama, you have Play-Doh from your hands.
It's okay. Later we need to wash our hands. After we finish playing the Play-Doh here, we need to wash our hands.
I want the one.
Wow,
Wow.
you have
The yellow.
the yellow apple.
My yeah.
You want to put
Mama,
it there?
Mama saying
Wow. Okay, now we're doing the shapes.
the not
We'll
do
do the shapes. Okay?
Put it my Adam here.
Put my Adam. Adam will put it here. Adam will put it here.
Adam will put it here.
Okay, and
And
then
then my
Adam,
my strawberry.
your
Oh.
strawberry. You have the strawberry there. Okay. Now make the circle.
Yeah.
Okay. Press
No,
it down.
now make the
It's okay. Circle now. Press it down. More. Good boy. Remove the one on the side. Yes. Good job. And
this the circle.
you have now the circle.
Squeeze it.
Yes. There you go.
Whoa.
You have
This-
this.
this
Wow.
like
Show it to
ham-
them.
The
Circle.
circle. This is like hamburger.
Hamburger. Yeah. The yellow circle.
Bring the elephant.
Now make the
The
triangle.
wait no put from the here. Let me make
No.
from
Just only one because we need to use this for the square. No. Put it
Let
here
me
for
put
the.
from the here red one.
Okay. No. The red one need to be put with the same color. Okay. Don't mix it with the other colors.
I will make all the colors. Look, look. Let me squeeze it.
Okay. Make this with the.
The blue one first.
Make it with the square. Make it with the square. Okay, press down. Press it down. Press more. Careful. And then remove. There you go. Now you have the
The square.
square. What color is the square?
Blue.
Blue square.
So the chicken nuggets.
Like chicken nuggets, yeah.
Baba, this like chicken nuggets give to elephant. This like hamburger.
It's like hamburger. He already make his elephant made of clay dough.
Now this
Now
one,
the triangle.
triangle.
Okay. Let's make the triangle from red color. Okay?
Yum yum.
Here, elephant is eating the hamburger.
Yeah.
And the chicken nuggets. Okay. Now make,
Bubba, come here. Bubba, come here.
make this one now.
Bubba,
Come, make this one here.
Yeah.
Baby, here. Oh, careful. Press it down, and down. Yes, there you go. Good boy.
My
And you have now the
triangle.
red triangle. Show it to them. Ta-da!
So this is the
Red triangle.
right triangle. This chicken nuggets.
It's like chicken nuggets. The triangle chicken nuggets. Yes. Okay, good. Yeah.
Now the grapes.
Well, we don't have the grapes yet. We don't have the grapes yet. Okay, let's make the grapes now out from the red color.
May you make the yellow for the blue?
No, we finished with the others. Now we'll make the...
I'm making the blue.
Okay.
Yellow. I squish it.
Try to squeeze it and squeeze
Squeeze
it
it.
and squeeze it and squeeze it. Here. Make this with the grapes. Can you do it for the grapes? Here. This one, Adam. Do it. Try to put some more on it. Okay?
Bubba, come.
Okay. Here.
Bubba,
Okay?
go from here.
Okay. This one here.
Yeah. Mama.
Yeah. Okay. This now is your grapes.
These grapes.
Your clay made of
My green from
grapes.
the
Yes.
blue.
Okay. Good, Adam. You did a great job today.
No.
Okay. So just say bye-bye to them.
Bye.
And tell them I hope
I hope
you enjoy
enjoy
watching my video.
watching my video.
I'll see you. Look
I'll
at them.
I'll
Say I'll
see-
see you on my...
I will see you on my next video.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Mwah.